To add the Polygon network in Metamask, you will need to have the Metamask extension installed in your browser. First, open your browser and click on the Metamask icon. Then click on the account name to open the drop-down menu. In this menu, click on Add Network to start the process of adding a new network. You will then be presented with a form that requires you to input the network details. The Polygon network details are as follows. Network name is Polygon. RPC URL is https rpc-mainnet.maticvigil.com. Chain ID is 137. Currency symbol is MATIC. And block explorer URL is https://polygonscan.com. Enter these details into the form and click the Save button to add the Polygon network to your Metamask wallet. You can verify that the network has been added by looking at the network drop-down menu, where you should now see the Polygon network. To switch to the Polygon network, simply click on the network drop-down menu and select Polygon. You will then be able to interact with the Polygon network, including sending and receiving MATIC tokens and interacting with Polygon-based decentralized applications. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct network details to avoid any potential issues. You can find the official Polygon network details on the Polygon website or other trusted sources. By following these steps, you can easily add the Polygon network to your Metamask wallet and start exploring the Polygon ecosystem.